Okay, so you plug this end, goes into the winch. Grab a hold of it. Yep. And then you turn it like a coffee. Turn it like that. See the sail coming out? The jib up there? Yep, keep pulling. There it goes. Yep. Nice. And then you take it over the lip and into the teeth. Over the lip and into the teeth just like that, and then you don't have to hold it. If I'm pulling it in, see how it can wrap around my arm? Thumbs up, right? And towards you. And that's how I handle the line, like that. You see how I'll never get hung up in it. When the white mark is up here, that means the rudder is straight. Okay? Hey Pierce, we need some main trim, buddy. Let it out. Keep letting it out. Keep going. Pull it in. Good job. Yep, keep going. There we go. Nice. That's good right there. Okay, over the lip and around into the teeth. You got it, buddy. Jib. Do you see the yarn hanging? The red yarn? Red and green yarn? So those are the telltales on the jib, right? And so what the big wheel allows me to do, guys, is I can sit way out here and I can see those telltales.
Well, we had a youth sailing program, Alene Youth Sailing, and John put together this awesome program for 2 weeks, 2 one-week camps. And he pulled together all of these kids for a sailing adventure camp. And we had probably 24 kids that I think went through the program, somewhere around 24 kids. And all of them just had a great time learning, and it rejuvenated our organization. It brought enthusiasm, creativity, and he just taught us how to help teach the kids in ways that we hadn't thought of before. And so it really brought our organization to the next level.
Pierce, I was so nervous and hesitant to even get on a sailboat at the beginning of the summer. And then to watch him get more comfortable and go farther out and with more people. And then with Bella having zero experience, and then seeing her drive her boat and do so well in the confidence that they had from that success was pretty cool.
I think you spark the kids' sense of adventure when you sail out to Kidd Island, sail around Kidd Island, and then sail over to Tubbs Hill and beach it, and then swim in the cracks of the rocks and climb up some of the rocks and then sail back to the beach. And there's this adventure and this excitement and this journey that they go on.
At the end of the sailing, you learned about so much and the feeling of accomplishment. I just love all those feelings. My favorite part about sailing is the main sheet.
Oh, cool. Dan, what do you?
I love how it makes me feel so calm.
I love the part about sailing that it can take you places, right? Like you could sail a boat anywhere, and that the skills that you learn in the camp are the same skills that'll take you across an ocean. Like it's really the same stuff. Do you want to go sailing again? Do you want to keep doing it?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?